Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a secret to making serious money on YouTube without showing your face or spending all day editing? It's not a myth, it's YouTube automation, and it's quietly building empires for people just like you. Forget the gurus selling empty promises. This is about smart systems, not constant hustle. We're talking about creating channels in lucrative niches, the kind people obsess over. Think satisfying ASMR, incredible tech you didn't know existed, mind-blowing facts that keep you up at night. The key? Content that's inherently binge-worthy. This isn't some overnight get-rich-quick scheme. It takes strategy, a little setup, and understanding the right tools. But the payoff? It can be life-changing. Here's your insider's look at getting started. Find your untapped goldmine niche. We're talking niches with huge search volume and low competition. Think hyper-specific. Content that hooks and holds. Create videos designed for maximum watch time. Think cliffhangers, compelling visuals, and storytelling that keeps viewers glued. The power of outsourcing. Leverage talented freelancers to handle the heavy lifting, editing that pops, voiceovers that captivate, and scripts that convert viewers into subscribers. Smart tools, smarter growth. Discover the AI tools and automation software that can multiply your output and streamline your workflow. Engagement is everything. Learn the secrets to crafting irresistible calls to action, sparking conversations in the comments, and building a loyal community even without showing your face. This isn't for the lazy. It takes effort to build a real automated channel, but if you're serious about creating a passive income stream that can generate serious views and potentially change your life, you need to pay attention. Want to know the exact niches that are crushing it right now? Want a step-by-step guide to setting up your first automated channel? Drop A in the comments right now and tell me your biggest YouTube struggle. I'll be diving into the best strategies and answering your questions in the next video. Don't miss out. This is your chance to finally break free.